The first step, which is a critical step in the 3M cold shrink 3-conductor inline splice install, is to prepare the cable according to standard practices. After you've properly prepared the cable, you have to slide the 3M cold shrink rejacketing sleeves onto the cable opposite of cord end. We will come back to these near the end of the installation. Then you need to slide the 3M cold shrink splice body on the cable with the longer cutback. Start by removing extra cord from the 3M cold shrink splice body. Do this for each cable. When applying the sleeves, cut the ends. Open and slide onto the shorter cable. Do this for each cable. Now it's time to connect the 3-conductor splice using the 3M mechanical shear bolt connectors QCI series. Start by twisting the bolts outside to inside on one side of the connector and then do the same on the other side. Follow by tightening the shear bolt using the impact wrench. This step will be repeated 3 times. Clean any oxide inhibitor that may have come out of the connectors after installation. Once cleaned, measure 8.5 inches from the center of the connector onto the shorter cable and add marker tape. After you've applied 3M ColorFlex tape, you are ready to apply foil pads to the 3M mechanical shear bolt connectors QCI series. After you've installed the connector, you will need to apply the red compound found in the kit on the cable insulation and spread the grease. You also need to make sure you fill the edge of the cable semicon with the red compound. After you've applied the red compound, you must install the splice bodies. Align the splice body to the center of your marker tape. Pull the core to drop 1/4 inch of the splice body on the tape. Then carefully adjust its position to the edge of the tape. Now you can continue pulling the core. Repeat for each splice body. Now you must connect the shields using shield sleeves and constant force springs. When you're done, add 2 half-lapped layers of Scotch Super 33 Plus vinyl electrical tape over the constant force springs. Repeat this step for each phase. Now it's time to connect the ground wire, which can also be referred to as the neutral wire. You do this by crimping the connector on it. Once crimped, bundle using Scotch Super 33 Plus vinyl electrical tape. Unfold the cable fillers by bringing them back over the cable and hold in place using Scotch Super 33 Plus vinyl electrical tape. Use Scotch rubber mastic tape 2228 to rebuild the inner jacket. After rebuilding the inner jacket, you need to apply Scotch electrical shielding tape 24, an all-metal open weave shielding braid tape onto the exposed cable armor. Install armor continuity braid. Add your constant force springs and then wrap with Scotch Super 33 Plus vinyl electrical tape. For mechanical protection, cover the 3-conductor splice with your jacket pieces and wrap with Scotch professional grade vinyl electrical tape Super 88. Now, to help build up the diameter on each side of the splice, apply 4 half-lapped layers of Scotch rubber mastic 2228. Then slide the 3M cold shrink rejacketing sleeves at the edge of the mastic collar and pull the coil cord. Over the center of the splice body, apply tape to the rejacketing sleeve to rejacketing sleeve with 1 half-lapped layer of Scotch professional grade vinyl electrical tape Super 88 and then 2 half-lapped layers of 3M Scotch Seal mastic tape 2229 and then 2 half-lapped layers of Scotch professional grade vinyl electrical tape Super 88. The final step of the 3M cold shrink 3-conductor inline splice install is to cover the entire splice area with 3M sheath wrap roll. When done, wrap the end with Scotch Super 33 Plus vinyl electrical tape. And that's how you install 3M Cold Shrink 3-Conductor Inline Splice Kit.